Call the woodcutter.
He's not answering!
When no one picks up, things fall fast.
Where's the arbor, man?
Said he's booked solid. Missed calls plus broken roofs.
Did the tree guy confirm?
No one called back. Every delay costs more than the job.
They didn't answer, another company did. You showed up fast. My AI booked it while I was still climbing. Booked, confirmed, cleared.
No missed calls. No lost jobs. No fallen profits.
Try AI Agents 247.ca.